Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for unlocking freedom. Accessibility modifications you need now. I'm your host, Bob. Let's dive in, shall we? Many years ago, the seed for AI Real Highlights was planted through a stark observation. I witnessed firsthand the daily struggles of a loved one trying to navigate their own home. A place that should offer comfort and independence, yet felt like a series of insurmountable barriers. It wasn't about grand architectural statements, but simple, everyday hurdles. A step that felt like a mountain, a doorway too narrow for a wheelchair, a bathroom that became a hazard. This wasn't an isolated incident. I started seeing it everywhere. Around 1 billion people worldwide experience disabilities, yet our built environments often fail them. The insight hit me. Accessibility modifications aren't just a nicety, they are a fundamental human right to dignity, safety, and freedom within one's own space. This problem became our mission.
Starting this journey wasn't without its challenges. The initial struggle wasn't just about technical solutions, but about shifting perceptions. We faced market skepticism. Many viewed accessibility modifications as a burden or a compromise on aesthetics, rather than an enhancement. Funding was another hurdle. Convincing people that investing in these changes offered long-term value, preventing injuries and promoting true aging in place, required persistent advocacy. It was a battle against the "that's too expensive" or "it's not for us" mentality. We realized that to truly make an impact, we needed more than just skilled builders. We needed a holistic approach, bringing together expert occupational therapists, master builders, and accessible funding pathways like the NDIS. The journey felt like navigating a complex maze, trying to piece together fragmented solutions for individuals desperate for genuine support. Our pivotal breakthrough came when we embraced collaboration as our cornerstone. We stopped trying to be a singular solution and instead forged strong partnerships with qualified occupational therapists and master builders who shared our vision. I remember one particular project. A family had been struggling for years to make their bathroom accessible for their aging mother. Previous attempts were piecemeal and ineffective. By bringing in an OT for a thorough assessment, then working with a specialist builder, we designed a roll-in shower, strategically placed grab bars, and widened the doorway, all while maintaining the home style. The look on the mother's face when she could independently use her bathroom for the first time was unforgettable. It wasn't just a modification, it was a restoration of dignity and a profound improvement in her quality of life. This success proved that with expert guidance and attention to detail, truly transformative change was possible, inspiring us to formalize our comprehensive approach and create A-Real Highlights as a beacon for others. Today, A-Real Highlights stands as a testament to that breakthrough. Our mission is clear: to empower individuals to live with dignity and comfort in their own homes, ensuring accessibility is at the forefront of every conversation. We've built a network of trusted accessibility experts and master builders, offering comprehensive solutions from minor adjustments like grab bars to complex structural changes for accessible kitchens. We're proud to guide NDIS participants and homeowners through every step, ensuring compliance, quality, and personalized care. Our vision is a future where every home is a sanctuary of independence, adapting to its occupants rather than forcing occupants to adapt to it. We believe accessibility modifications are not just about compliance. They are about empowering people of all ages to live with dignity and comfort. It's about making life not just possible, but easy and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of their age or ability. So, whether you're envisioning simple safety upgrades or a complete accessible home transformation, we invite you to join us on this journey. We understand that taking the first step can feel daunting, but with AI Real Highlights, you're not alone. We offer expert guidance from the initial assessment by an occupational therapist to the final building work and quality verification by a master builder. Don't let perceived barriers stand in the way of true freedom and peace of mind within your own space. If you or a loved one could benefit from tailored home modifications, remember, expert advice is just a call away. Read our full article for more insights, and then, when you're ready to transform your accessible home, get your dream makeover for the right price. Book a call with our expert now, or simply pick up the phone and dial 0401 746 299. Let's unlock your freedom together.